James here, Happy Ebikes. Today we're going to do a demo of our tire sealant. Here we have our Happy Ernie with a perfectly brand new tire, fully inflated. I'm going to poke a hole in it and you can see how the sealant works. Do it right by the valve. You can hear it's leaking. The kit will come with a valve remover so you can insert your sealant. You're going to need to put in about 4 ounces. To install the sealant, you will need to remove the valve core. That's what this tool is for. And insert that and then unscrew. Take their straw. I want to shake it up. Sealant. Yep.